Hello guys, my name is Ishan and you are watching CodeWithZeeshu. Today we are going to build a live streaming web application with the help of React.js and ZEGOCLOUD, and this video is also sponsored by ZEGOCLOUD. So let's go to their website, and I will also provide you the link of this website in description. So let me introduce you to ZEGOCLOUD, a company that makes it easy for business to add different types of communication features to their applications. They provide tools that help create smooth, high quality communication, whether it's for social media, gaming, online learning, or healthcare. With ZEGOCLOUD, companies can improve how users interact and make their apps more engaging and fun. Okay, so here, as you can see in the nav bar, they have a link products. Here you can see all the features or the services which they provide, which include video calling, voice call, live streaming, AI effects, cloud recording. You can explore them, and they also provide SDKs and UI kit to implement these functionalities in your project. Okay, so now let's go to the sign up process. Okay, so click on this sign up button, and then it will redirect you to the sign up page. Here you have to enter your first name, your last name, country, work email, and here you have to enter the verification code which you will get or receive in your email, and then you have to enter a password. The password should contain the 8 to 16 characters, at least one number, at least one lowercase, and at least one uppercase letter. Okay, so first I will sign up and then I will meet you after sign up process. Now they are asking for tell us more about you, and we will provide the most suitable products and solutions. Okay, so let's give it a company name. For example, I am going to give it a company name, CodeWithZeeshu, and here I am going to give it a title. What title? Individual student. I will just select student. Industry, what is my industry? IT, technology and service. And here they are asking for my phone number. So let's give it a phone number. I will search here 92. Okay, and as you can see, Pakistan. Okay, so select this one. Here I will give my phone number 310-650-7521. Why I didn't hide the phone number? Because I have already provided to many viewers my phone number, so I can't hide it from you guys. Okay, so let's continue, and as you can see, they gave us 10,000 free minutes, which expires on 2024 June 13. Okay, UTC plus 8. Let's go to dashboard. Click on this button, go to dashboard. They will redirect you to the dashboard. Okay, I'm here on my dashboard. If you click on this button, create your first project. Okay, so as you can see, they provide all these features like video and voice call, video conference, live streaming, live audio room. What we are going to build in this video? We are going to build this live streaming application. Okay, let's select this one and next. Okay, after this you just give a name to your project. I am going to give it a name, live_streaming, LIVE, live_STREAMING, live streaming. Okay, so there are two ways to get started. You can use SDKs or you can use UI kits. They provide UI kits, and this is the most suitable way for developers to use UI kits, because you don't need to use you don't need to style your front end. Okay, they will give you the pre-built style for your web application. So let's use this one, and here as you can see, they provide code for every they provide UI kit for every technology like Android, iOS, web, React Native, Flutter. What we are going to use? We are going to use web. Okay, so start with UI kit, press this button, and it will generate a project for you. Okay, so let's see. As you can see, 7%, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so after its completion, I will come and we will see that what we can do more. Okay, my project has been created. Now it is asking me that build your app. I want to build my app for the web. Select this one for web. Okay, so now your project has been created. Now what we are going to do, click on this ZEGOCLOUD logo. You can call it anything. Okay, so here as you can see, live streaming, and here they provided us some documentation. Here let me zoom it a little bit for you. guides, and here is it written documents. Here is a link documents. Click on this one, and after clicking on this, they have sent us to the documentation, and here as you can see live streaming. Click on this one, find out more. Okay, so after coming here, okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to do a quick start. Click on this quick start. Okay, and we are going to build the application for web. Okay, select this web JavaScript. Okay, so select this one. Just scroll a little bit down here. Here is an option quick start. Select this one, and after selecting it, okay, just scroll down just a little bit, scroll down. Okay, I want npm to install. Okay, but I can't find it. That where is that npm? Let me find it first, then I will show you that how you can use this one. Implement a basic live streaming. Okay, let me first find it that how to use this npm, then we will see that how we can install it with the help of npm. Okay guys, as you can see here we have an option live streaming. If you hover on this button, this menu will open. Here as you can see live streaming kit. Press this URL or button, or you can call it anything. Okay, so here as you can see in quick start using npm package manager, click on this. Okay, so here it says that install the SDK, and here they've given you the code that how to use it. So they've given us the environment that how to set up an environment. So first of all we need to create a React application. So let's create it. Open your folder, any folder, you can open any folder. Okay, open with code. I'm going to open with code, yeah, or whatever the ID you are using, you can open it and run this command in your ID. npm create latest./. This command will create a React application for you. Okay, so in npm create latest./, press enter, and now it will ask for a folder name. Okay, let's wait. Okay, 12 live streaming ZEGOCLOUD, let's press enter. Now it's asking us for the framework, what framework we are going to use. We are going to use React, press enter, and JavaScript. Okay, now it says that run this command npm install. What this command will do, this command will download or node modules for us. So let's run this command npm install. Let's wait for this one to complete. Okay, just wait a little bit. It will complete in a minute or maybe in 30 seconds. Come to your src folder, delete these assets. Okay, I don't want the assets, delete them. And after this, come to your app.css file, empty it, just give some styling like what do I want here, margin 0, box sizing, border box, overflow x, hidden, and padding 0. I just want this styling, I don't want anything. Okay, and I want to delete this index.css, delete it. Okay, and after this come to your main.jsx. As you know that you have deleted your index.css file, so remove it from here and come to your app.jsx, empty this folder, remove everything from here, run this command RAFCE. It will create an arrow function for you. Okay, so write here hello world to see that is your project working or not. Okay, and yes, import app.css here. Okay, import ./app.css. Anyway, we are not going to give it a styling, so if you don't import it, it will not affect your project. Okay, so run cls, clear screen, and run this command npm run dev. It will run your project on localhost 5173. As you can see here, let's open it. Okay, so as you can see, we can hello world, we can see the hello world here. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we are going to build our application. Here I want an input tag, input, or what do I want? We are going to write div and just give it a class name, container, and in this container I want input tag, an input tag, and a button, button button. Okay, so this input tag will have a type text and it will have a value, and the value will be value. Okay, and on change I want, what will be the on change function do? On change I am going to give it a set value. Okay, so I know you guys are confused that where this value is coming from and where this set value is coming from. You don't need to worry about, because we are going to create a use state right now. Okay, so let's create a use state. Const array is equal to use state. Okay, so the initial value of value will be empty. Here I am going to write this value comma set value. Okay, so after this, in button I am going to write join row. Okay, and in this button I am going to create a function on click. On click, what should happen? If someone click on this button, navigate to row. I am going sorry, I am going to execute this function, but this function still right now does not exist. So we will create it, but before now I am going to write that disable this button if the value is empty. Okay, I am going to not value. If there is no value, then disable this button. Okay, so we are going to use this function navigate to room. Let's create it. Const navigate to room is equal to something like this. Okay, so what this function will do, when we click on this button, it will navigate us to the room component, but still right now we don't have any component, we have nothing. Okay, so let's run this command. In your terminal, run this command npm install space react router DOM. Install this dependency. Okay, and in src folder create a folder named components. Okay, and in these components what do we need? We need something like we need two components. The first component is room.jsx and the second component is home.jsx. Okay, so in room component, just create a simple template for React arrow function. Okay, leave it empty, and in home component create an arrow function, empty it, and then come to your app.jsx file and copy everything from here. Okay, cut it and then paste it here in your home, and come to your app.jsx again, copy everything from here. Don't copy it, just cut it from here and paste them here. Okay, and now as you know that we are not going to use state here, so we will cut it from here and we have to paste it here. Okay, so let's save it now. After saving it, what do I want? I want that if I click on this button navigate to room, it should navigate me to navigate to /room/column value. I am using backticks, backticks. Okay, to get the value like this value here. Okay, so now you guys can ask that how we are getting this navigate. Okay, so we have to create an instance of use navigate, and we will get the use navigate from our React router DOM. Okay, so first import something from React router DOM and come here, just use navigate. Now we have imported our use navigate from React router DOM. Now create an instance of use navigate. Const navigate is equal to use navigate. Okay, we have created an instance, and here is our function navigate to room, and when you click on this button, it will send you to this URL. Okay, so now everything is perfect, but here we need to create a router, so that on forward slash what component we want to render, and when we redirect our user to this URL, then we are going to render this component. That then we are here we will see that how we can do it. So for this, come to your line number 3, import something from React router DOM, and here browser router routes and route. Okay, now come here, right here browser router. Now I want routes, and in routes I want my route. Okay, route accepts two route has two attributes. So first is a path. Okay, path forward slash and then element. Okay, so in element I am going to place home, and for the other one I am going to use that room. Okay, room, ROOM, room. I think it is nothing, room. Okay, I have to import it manually, room, and copy it, paste it here, room. Okay, and what will be the URL? /room /column ID. The ID will be dynamic, that's why we are going to use this column. Okay, so let's save it and come to the browser, refresh it. As you can see, there is no styling, so first let's style it. Okay, come to f.css. As you know, it has a container, so let's do something. I want some styling, container, and display, flex, justify content, center, align items center, and minimum height 100 vh. Okay, and gap, I want the gap of 15 px, and okay, no need to give it a gap. Okay, where is everything? Here. Okay, so now flex direction, column, and gap 15 px. Okay, let's save it. As you can see, here I have my button and my input tag. Now what I want, dot container, let's open it side by side, then I think it will look beautiful. Okay, so let's style it. Container, input, padding, I want to give it a padding of 10 px top to bottom, and 3 px from left to right. Save it. Now what should be its width? Width should be 320 px, and okay, I don't want anything, and the color should be black, #111. Okay, let's save it. Now dot container, and BUTTON, button, and what I want here, I want to give it the same styling like padding and width. Okay, paste them here, and I want to give it a background, and the background should be like sky blue. Is it okay? I think it looks cool. And I don't want any borders, border none, and I want a font size 20 px. Copy it from here and paste it here, and I want a text color, #FFF, and I don't want this sky blue color. I want a little bit darker like this. Let's save it. Now it looks okay. Okay, so now everything is fine. Let's come to our computer screen and open our browser, and let's okay. Now as you can see, I can't click on this button. When I click on this button, I can't see anything. Okay, so if I enter something like 1 and I click on this button, it has redirected me to this page, /room /1. As you can see, I have my ID for the value. So how to get this value on room? Okay, so for this, in room component, as you can see here, in room component we have to get that ID. So for this, I am going to write const ID is equal to use params. We are importing use params from React router DOM, save it. Okay, now come to your component, and here we don't need anything to do. I'm just going to show you the ID. Okay, save it. Now come here. If I click on this button, it is not doing anything, but if I write something here like say 590 and join room, as you can see, I have my ID 590. Let me zoom it for you. 590. Okay, I'm going to zoom out. Okay, so now what we are going to do here, let's remove it from here, and come here, come to your using npm package. Now copy this command to install the ZEGOCLOUD. Copy it and come to your VS Code and open another terminal or split your terminal and paste this command here. It will install the ZEGOCLOUD UI Kit pre-built for you in your system, but it will only work for in this project. Okay, so after this we don't need anything. As you know, we are the people who don't like to work. We just love things to copy and paste. Now just create a simple function like this one, const live stream stream. Live stream is equal to async, and here element you can write e whatever you want. If you write this e, it won't affect your code. Okay, but I am going to write element. Okay, so after this, what do I want here? I want these things. Okay, so as you can see, const app id, server secret and kit token. Copy everything from here and come to your function, paste them here. Okay, so as you can see, app id, it is asking for my app id. So how can I get it? Come here, and where is my dashboard? App id, live streaming, and here as you can see my app id. Just copy it from here, copy it and paste it here. Okay, paste it, and here it is asking for my server secret. I have to give it a server secret, but as you know, I am not going to show you that where is my server secret. So what will I do? I want my app id and server secret confidential. So for this I am going to create a file like variables.js export const, and it will have app id and server secret, app id and server secret, server secret. Okay, also create export const server secret. Where is my app id? Okay, and for server secret I will paste my server secret here as a string, and I will paste my app id here. So first let's cut it from here, and I will paste it in my app id. And now come back. As you can see here, where is it? As you can see, server secret, just copy your server secret and you can paste it here, and then you have to import it in your room component. How to import it? As you can see, if I save it, if I just save it here, import something from /variables, and as you can see, app id and server secret. For app id I am going to write app id, and for server secret I am going to write server secret. Okay, this server secret. What I am going to use double server secrets. What is this behavior, my friend? What is this behavior? Let's give it another name. Let's give it secret. Just give it secret. Okay, and remove it s, and now remove it also. Okay, and just give it a simple name, secret. Okay, now we are fine. Now there is no issue. And yes, don't forget to copy your server secret here. You have to copy it here. Okay, so now I am going to close this file, and after this as you can see here, Zego UI Kit pre-built. Where is it coming from? We have to import it. So let's import it. Import something from ZEGOCLOUD. Okay, so as you can see, from ZEGOCLOUD we are going to import our ZEGOCLOUD UI Kit pre-built. Okay, we have imported it here. Here it is asking for the room ID. As you know, in ID we are getting the room ID, so replace room ID with ID. Okay, now it is asking for the random ID of the user. First, for this one we are going to use to give it a date.now dot to string. But if but later when you connect your front end with your backend, you can give your user ID here. Okay, and in the second one, random ID, you can give the name of the user. So what I am going to do, I am going to give it my name, Zishan and Zishan Khan. Okay, so let's save it. After this, let's come to our code. It says that const zp UI kit dot create token. So let's copy it and paste it. Const zp ZEGO UI kit prebuild dot create kit token. So first let me tell you that what is it going on. Const app id, we have created a variable app id, then we have created a secret. Okay, then kit token. What does this function will do, or this method will do? It will generate a token for us. Okay, so this token accepts some parameters like app id, server secret, the room id, and the render user id and username. Okay, the second one is string and the first one is also string. Both are strings. If you don't convert your number, your date to string, you will face some errors or issues. Okay, so after this, what I am going to do, I am going that const zp ZEGO UI kit prebuild dot create. It will create my token. Okay, so after all of this, as you can see, zp dot join row, it with the copy this code and come to your function. Okay, let's paste it and I will explain this code to you that what this code is doing. Okay, so first of all, I don't want this one here. Okay, so zp.join role, it will join the role, but it accepts some parameter container and here element. Where is this element coming from? Element is coming from our function. Okay, now scenario. In scenario, we have to modify, we have to specify the mode, that which mode we are going to use. As you know, we are using live streaming, so we have selected ZEGO UI kit prebuild dot live streaming. Okay, I don't want this config, just remove it from here. Okay, and in shared links, you can give the shared link which you can share with your friends and others. So column, create an array and then create an object. It accepts some parameter like name. Just write copy link and here you can give the link URL. What will be the URL? So come here, come to your Vite and React, just copy it from here and then come here, use backticks. Okay, here is your URL. Just remove this 590, give it a dynamic ID. Okay, now if you save it, you can't see anything on your screen because we have to give it a reference. So come here, create a div tag. Okay, and in div tag, just give it a reference. Okay, so a reference will be a live stream and create it, convert it into a self-closing tag. Okay, so let's save it and come to our screen. I can't see anything right now. Now first of all, I have to inspect my terminal, that what's the issue. The issue is that join room. Okay, no issue. Server secret required. Okay, I have not provided the server secret. I will copy my server secret and then I will come and will show you that how it works. Okay guys, I have given my server secret and as you can see, there is my computer, here is my screen, room 590. Let's come to our home page. When I click on this join room, it is not working, but when I enter any ID 123 and I click on this join room button, it redirects me to this UI interface. This is the power of ZEGOCLOUD UI Kit pre-built, where you don't need to create this styling, you don't need to give it any CSS, you don't need to use anything. Okay, so if I copy this one, this URL, okay, so let's copy it. I have copied and I am going to open my other browser like Microsoft Edge or what is this one. Okay, so let's paste this URL here and enter. Okay, so I am here. I am going to change the name. I am going to give it a name, Edge user. Okay, and I am going to turn off the mic, but I am going to turn on the camera. Okay. So why the camera is not turning on? Why bro? Why? Refresh it and open the camera. It says we can't detect your device. Please check your device and allow us. Okay, so let's refresh it again. First come to the home page and then just create 123 join rule, and still it is an issue of over the Microsoft page. Okay, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, so come to your browser and change the name. Change it to edge user. Okay, and join. But first of all, turn off your mic. It will generate too much noise. Okay, so my mic is off, and as you can see, here is only one user, edge user. Okay, so if I come to my Google Chrome and I join it, okay, so I am going to change the name Chrome user, and I am going to turn off my mic and join, and yeah, I am going to open them like side by side. Okay, so here as you can see in my Chrome, it is showing that Chrome user, but on this side it says Edge user. So we are both in the same room. We can see each other. So here is me, so both is me. Okay, so for example, if I turn on my mic, it is going to generate. So for now it is not generating noise. So I was working on this one earlier, but it generated too much noise. That's why I was not going to use this mic option. Now click on go live. Okay, so 3 2 1, and now we are live. As you can see, this person is also live and I am also live. We are both in the live mode. Okay, so if I click on this button, stop broadcast, then the broadcast will stop. For example, if this person wants to leave, but how he can leave it? If he clicks on this button. Okay, so confirm. As you can see here, Chrome user, not only I am the only one who is here and the other person left. If I want to rejoin, I will click on this button again, rejoin, and here I am. So I hope you liked the video, and this was our live streaming web application. So let's close the camera. I don't look very beautiful right now. Okay, so let's come to our home page. Okay, so I hope you like the project, and it was our live streaming web application. And the most beautiful thing about this project was that we didn't code too much. Just this code is enough. We just 9 to 33. How much is it? 9 to 33. I think it is 22 lines. In 22 lines of code, we created a whole live streaming web application. So I think it's really impressive to create that much big feature with just few lines of code. Okay, so I hope you like the video, and in future I will try to bring some more beautiful content or engaging content which you will like and which will be beneficial for my users and for me to learn something new. So we will meet in the next video. For now, Khada Hafiz.